want you to step back and say, look at the people that are around you and the people that are in your life and the people that you affect and infect, that you can do better to change their life for the better. So you need to say, I have potential.
I have potential.
I mean, really mean it. And when you say it this time, I want you to think about all the black people that have died for you to sit down here today. I want you to think about the Martin Luther King. I want you to think about the Harriet Tubmans who made 18, 19 trips so you can be here today. I have potential.
You have a building.
Any question? All right. Acquire. That means to get. All right. To receive, to obtain, to acquire. So you're in the same business to impact the lives, but only until you recognize how many lives you impact on a daily basis.
And I thought Mr. Guy did a great job on his speech that he did, very enthusiastic, and I think he did a great job influencing the students who are doing a great job at the school.
My name is Carolyn Coleman. I'm here for my daughter Corinne Coleman for the National Junior Honor Society, where the speaker was very inspirational.
I'm Corvelia Gaines of the Rebound Alumni Group, and I just want to commend Mr. Andrew Guy of just an awesome job speaking to the students in Rebound High School with our Next Generation of Excellent Student Leadership Workshop. He did a tremendous job unlocking their potential and unlocking the gifts that were in them, just encouraging them to read and motivating them to, just be the best that they could be. And I'm just so proud that I had the opportunity to be a part of this workshop.
Spoke to us, it was very encouraging. He's a great teacher. He entertained the crowd, and overall it was just good. Andrew Guy spoke today. I think he's a very inspiring person, and the message that he just gave today was just so inspirational, and it was good. He knows how to work the crowd, and he's overall a great speaker. Check him out.
My name is Brenda Wynn. I'm an educator. I had the opportunity to listen, hear, be motivated and inspired by Mr. Guy at our National Junior Honor Society ceremony, induction ceremony today. It is an experience that I'll never forget. The foundation that he laid, not only for parents, but to the children, the goals that he helped them to achieve. The inspiration, the motivation would go with me forever.
Everybody has something different about them. Everybody has something different about them. And then when you embrace that difference, you actually starting to actualize the power that you have. Parent, you can be a poison to your seed. Your children are a seed. You need to water them. You need to motivate them. You need to talk to them. You need to uplift them. You need to tell them that they're great. You need to tell them that they can do greater things. I want you to think about the Frederick Douglass that said, you know what? I don't know how to read. The books have been hidden from me. So I'm going to do my best so I can teach myself how to read, so I can read between the lines and tell somebody. I want to talk about goals. Oh! I have an obligation. To my mom and dad and the people that helped me to get to where I am today. Hey! My attitude needs to be in check. L! I'm a lifelong learner. L! I'm a lifelong learner. That's the goal to everything. You never stop learning. The day when you stop learning is when you're in the grave. And even when you're in the grave, the maggots that eat you are learning how to decompose. Learning never stops. That's the goal of life. You have a seed in front of you, water them with some goodness. If you have 5 bad things to talk to them about, you know what? Spread it out over the 5 days. Get in 1 today, 1 tomorrow, 1 Wednesday. But at the end of the week, you got all 5, and didn't you? And then double up on the goods that you do. Double up on the goods that you do for them. Remind them what you went through. So if you have 1 negative, get them 2 positive. If you have 1 negative, get them 3 positive. If you have 1 negative, get them 4, 5 positive. The math doesn't add up, right? What I'm saying to you, every 1 negative you do, it cancels out at least 5 things. That's how powerful a negative seed is. Love your kids. And all you do is give them that 5 bad news over a week's period, they will only get 1 negative. And then work on cancel those out. If you can find 1 good thing about them, tell them. Just find 1 positive thing. And you do that over a period of time, you build their self-esteem. Okay? I want to thank you guys for your time. Have a wonderful day.